Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you some super stunning and lovely ideas of crochet hand clutches. These designs are super attractive and gorgeous. You can see patchwork designing ideas are included in this video, which are made with very attractive and lovely color schemes. You can see this beautiful design with a cup made on it. It is made separately and then attached on the patch of square. So these designs are all very attractive and lovely. Most of these designs are having Afghan flowers in center and then which is converted into a square piece, looking very attractive and gorgeous, made using contrasting color schemes. You can see these designs are mostly having a granny square pattern, but other different patterns are also included in this video. You will see Afghan square flower patterns, other different flower patterns which are then converted into a square piece, and you will see different other patterns inside of them other than square patches as well. Some of the designs are having simple double crochet stitch or single crochet or half double crochet stitch lines made for the lid part of these beautiful hand clutches. So you can see these beautiful color schemes are used in these designs, which are really unique and attractive. So just give this video a big thumbs up if you like these designing ideas and their color schemes. For buttons, closure buttons, you can see very attractive and gorgeous pieces are used in these designs. So you can have simple crochet hand clutch and then you can have a very attractive and edgy piece of closure button to make it look more stunning and attractive as well. And some of the designs are having simple straps which is wrapped around the whole clutch as well for the closure purpose. So all these designs are in a perfect size and can be used to hold your mini diary, your phone, your earbuds and a pen. So you can hold your smaller sized daily accessories in these pouches, and you can have a book which currently you are reading for having it on your work and anywhere, because these are perfectly in the size of a small book. So you can carry these bags along for this purpose as well. These are very attractive and gorgeous pieces. So have your own and don't forget to subscribe to get more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.